Police were called to a local bar after staff reported that a man refused to leave the property and became increasingly aggressive with employees. Officers initially tried to calm him down and help locate a missing phone he believed had been stolen. But as tensions rose, the encounter quickly escalated into a physical confrontation, leading to multiple criminal charges and an unexpected discovery during the arrest.
My phone out of there.
Okay, well, we'll get it all figured out. Do me a favor, just step over here for me.
On this night, officers responded to a bar after employees asked for help removing an intoxicated customer who refused to leave the premises. The man claimed the business had taken his phone and repeatedly demanded that staff return it. Legally, businesses have the right to remove disruptive patrons from private property. Once management revokes permission for someone to remain on the premises, refusing to leave can lead to a trespassing charge. Officers attempted to explain the situation and repeatedly encouraged the man to leave peacefully, but he continued arguing with both staff and police.
Hey, do me a favor. Hey.
You were very aggressive,
What?
and he was very nice.
Okay, listen, what does your phone look like?
My phone is a black, cold out.
Have you already paid your tab? How are you going to call that phone?
I paid my tab. You can call my phone for me.
Okay, I'm not going to call your phone for you, but...
No, please be nice. Because when y'all lost y'all phone one time downtown, I bought the phone to a motherfucking police officer.
Okay.
And he dropped it.
Two things.
Please.
One,
I don't care, man.
One, I'm going to help you out. Two, you're just not going to tell me what you're going to be doing.
Please give me my phone.
Cases.
Okay.
So they don't have your card because they don't keep cards.
He already paid his
Please,
tab.
I asked for my phone.
Okay, then I'm just telling
I'm
you.
not
Now
being,
you're yelling. I don't appreciate
no, stop. Because
You
I
stop
asked
yelling.
listen,
Stop
listen,
yelling.
man, what the fuck?
Okay, have a good
Because
night.
I talked to them before I talked to you. And I asked, man, no, you with them. And I asked them for a simple question to hand me my phone. I'll talk to you like I talked to him.
I've been talking a normal level, so I'm done with you.
No, well then go on.
You're here for you.
No, you're not here for me. You're here for them to protect their establishment. All I want is my fucking phone.
He already paid his
All I
tab.
want is my fucking phone.
They don't
You guys have a phone?
We never served him.
Okay, so when I find my phone and I track
You're gonna
it,
back up.
Play.
You're gonna back up.
When I find my phone and I track it and it's here, that's on y'all.
Okay, have a good night.
That's fine. You can try that in the morning. They don't have your phone.
They do.
They never even served you.
Use a fucking lie because I
Have a good
got
night. They don't have your phone. Good night. Goodbye.
Use a good lie and get the fuck out my face.
Not
Because
before you
I.
do. Have a good night. Yes.
Sir, ma'am, I just went in there and had a drink. So please go in there and
And now
accept
you're
my-
not back in there? They don't want you there.
No, they kicked me out of there because I fired up a black.
Okay, I'm telling you right now, they
I'm
would not
telling
steal a phone. Okay, you went in there. Your tab is paid. What I recommend doing? Can you listen to how I would handle the situation?
So how can
Are
I
you
pay?
reasonable? Are you reasonable? You look like a reasonable guy.
I am very
Okay,
much so.
me too.
But how
Listen.
can I pay a tab and I paid it off of my phone?
They probably don't have tap to pay in there. You probably have to use your credit card. Do you have a card on you?
I use tab.
Okay, they don't have your phone. What
This
to
is not
do?
making sense to me when
It's
I
not
use
making
tab.
sense to me. If the business tells me they don't have your phone,
But she
then you don't
doesn't
have
give a fuck.
Well, when you say it like that, it's not my problem to you. We're trying to help you. You're not being very
Hey,
cordial.
find somebody else to play with that's not me. Because I got people in places.
How is it to find someone else to play with
Hey,
us? Have a good
get
night.
the
You
fuck
put
out
your
my
hand up
face.
Okay.
One more time.
I'm
Here's how this
trying
is
to
gonna
be
happen.
nice to you. Do what the fuck you gotta
No,
do.
you're not.
Because
Have a
it's
good
not
night.
me, it's them.
Have a good night. You're done.
I'm doing no good night when they got my
We're
card.
done here.
We're done. Have a good
They
night.
don't have.
Bye.
They don't have your card because
Do
you
not
paid with
go
your
back
phone.
That's
in.
the fuck they do.
You paid with your phone. That's what you just
Then
said.
go get my
Trespass
phone.
on here right now.
They don't have your phone.
Yeah. Have a good night.
Okay,
If you
that's
come back,
fine.
you're gonna go to jail.
Okay.
Or you'll just go for the I don't really care.
Trespass. That's fine. I don't either. You dumb bitch.
At this point, officers make it clear that if the man returns to the business or continues interfering with staff, he could be arrested for trespassing. Rather than walking away, he becomes more confrontational and begins demanding personal information from the officers. What could have remained a simple trespassing warning is now rapidly turning into a criminal investigation.
Give me all of her documentation, please. Thank you.
What's that?
Give me her documentation. Thank you.
Shut up.
No, it's no shut up. Give me the documentation. Thank you.
You come back, you go to jail.
Give me the documentation. Thank you.
Yeah, wipe me
Give me
right.
all of your information. So when I prove you're wrong, you can look like a fucking fool. Thank you. No, that's no good. Give me all of your documentation. I can go the fuck I got. Give me your documentation. I can go the fuck I got. Give me your documentation. Give me your I need your card and your name. No, baby. Give me your card and your documentation. Give me your card and your documentation. I can go the fuck when the fuck I got to go. Give me your card. No. Give me your card and your documentation. Please. Give me your card. Give me your I'm not resisting. Stop resisting. I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting.
Give me your arm now.
The situation escalates when officers move in to detain him. According to police, the man attempted to grab at an officer during the confrontation. From the officer's perspective, physical interference with law enforcement creates a completely different situation than a simple trespassing complaint. Once physical contact is alleged, additional charges become a possibility.
I'm not resisting.
Give me your arm now.
I'm not resisting.
Give me your arm now.
I'm not resisting. I asked a simple question. I asked for information. So me asking for information.
No, you snatching at officers and putting your hands on people.
I've never touched the officer. You lied.
Check his waistband for guns and stuff.
I've never touched the
Gonna
officer.
roll this way.
I've never touched that officer.
Just roll him over and we'll get him up. Get him up.
We got the station we call 440.
All I ask is a simple question for information. I asked for information.
Officer 619.
Ma'am, I asked for information. No, you didn't. I asked for your card and your information. I asked for your card and your information.
Downtown.
There you go. All right.
I'm not doing nothing wrong. I asked for card and information. So how did I get? Y'all can drop me off home. I asked for card and information.
It'll be on the charging app.
For card and information? Come on, man.
Check this out, man. Multiple times you were warned to stop approaching the officer, okay?
For card and
Once
information.
she started getting the paperwork for you,
She didn't do nothing.
So now you're going to jail.
Is your name Darius? Is your name Darius?
No, all that
Your
is
name
for card and
Darius?
information.
Is your name Darius?
All that is for card and
Is your
information.
name Darius?
I'm just actually.
Your debit card that you were looking for was
Yes.
found in your right pocket.
I didn't ask about a no bad card.
You did,
I
sir.
asked him, no, I asked him about the drink.
Nope. You asked about that in your phone, of which they don't have your phone. The debit card that you were looking
My
for was
phone,
in your pocket.
That's what I asked him about.
Hey, it's not in there, bud. We told you
It
that.
is. All you gotta do is
You wanted to
call.
do the most.
I asked her for some. All I asked is
ID
for
is in
card
here.
and
I
information.
went to go get it, but you wouldn't stand there and listen.
Yes, I did. What are you talking about? All I asked is for card and information.
Let me finish searching.
Are you guys gonna throw me?
Can you just hold that for a second?
Yeah.
I asked for card and information. Card and information. I'm not. What the fuck?
You need to relax, okay?
All I asked her for is
Whatever
card
you
and-
have in your pockets, you need to relax, okay?
I don't have
All right,
nothing in
let's
my
stop playing games.
pockets. I got these shorts from my cousin. So what the fuck is y'all talking about?
Stop doing that.
I'm
hear
not
me?
doing nothing.
Stop doing that.
I'm
You're gonna
not
go back to the
doing
ground. You
anything.
understand?
It's going to be
There's
25-169,
There's coke right
183,
here.
169,
I don't have no
183.
cocaine in my pocket.
Thank you. Well, there's stuff on that side, that's why. Hey, just do it on this side, this side, this side. Well, here, there's stuff on that side. I got it. No, I got it, that's fine. I just put it on passenger usually, that's all.
Alright, have a seat. Is there anything else on you that we can find?
No, man, I ain't did nothing wrong. All I did was ask some questions.
You debate that with the judge, okay? Put your feet in.
My cell phone is in there.
Put your feet in.
My cell phone is in there.
Smooth, boy.
I have not done nothing, man. I'm telling you.
Presumptive positive cocaine. Seems fair. Approximately half gram.
Now the case becomes even more serious. During the search following the arrest, officers report finding a substance that tested positive for cocaine. If laboratory testing confirms the substance is an illegal narcotic, the man could face drug possession charges on top of the allegations related to the confrontation with officers at the bar.
Step up. No trying. Don't think I'm being wrong. So I go in the petty wagon van for asking about my cell phone? Yes, sir. For asking about my cell phone.
Slide in. Have a seat. Watch your head.
In the end, the man was charged with assault on a law enforcement officer, possession of cocaine, resisting an officer without violence, and trespassing in an occupied structure. While bond was set for some of the charges, the assault allegation resulted in a no-bond hold, meaning he remained in custody following the arrest. What began as a dispute over a missing phone quickly escalated into a physical confrontation with police and multiple criminal charges. A situation that could have ended with simply leaving the property instead resulted in a night behind bars and a much more complicated legal battle.